Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sithelo. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. Mamkhize has finally released a statement about the allegations that were made by Sithelo against her son Andile Mpisane regarding the GBV claims she made. Sean released a statement saying that they are planning on taking legal actions through a statement which reads as follows. I have been made aware of the allegations made against my family by Sithelo on her Instagram account, which have been since deleted. Given my history and strong stance against gender-based violence, I do not take this accusation lightly. I do not and will never condone violence in any form or nature. I would like to categorically state that neither myself nor my family have been witness to any alleged abuse against Sithelo, and further like to highlight that these allegations are false and defamatory. Given the nature, severity, and extent of these allegations, the matter have been referred to attorneys, and from now on, hereforth, they will be handling everything in relation to the matter. It's of the utmost importance that we let the law take its course in this regard. Furthermore, false accusation do tremendous damage to victims of actual assault. Please do be advised that I will not be making any further statements with regard to this matter. Regards, Mamkhize.